This video introduces a practitioner's blueprint for designing the Centaur Organization. It focuses on engineering human-AI symbiosis, maximizing decision quality, and moving beyond the automation trap in knowledge work. Symbiosis here is the intersection of human intuition and AI computation. We explore the limits of the substitution playbook. The automation myth promises efficiency through AI replacing labor. However, the lived reality shows stalled pilots, model failures, and trust erosion due to context gaps and edge cases. Contemporary AI depends on human judgment for these complex situations. The symbiosis multiplier effect shows that carefully designed pairings outperform solo efforts. For example, a Centaur organization, combining a human pathologist with AI, reduced the error rate from 7.5% in AI-only models to 0.5%, achieving an 85% reduction in error. We redefine the integration spectrum beyond just automation and artificial intelligence. Augmentation, using machine capabilities to extend human performance, is a step closer. The goal is human-AI symbiosis, where strengths compensate for limitations, leading to superior joint performance. The deployment mindset matrix compares substitution and symbiosis. Substitution aims for near-term cost reduction and views AI as a substitute. Symbiosis, the leading edge, focuses on maximizing decision quality, viewing AI as a capability multiplier and analytical engine. Deconstructing a complex business decision shows it splits into subtask tracks: uncertainty, complexity, and equivocality. The most important design choice in an AI-augmented workflow is task allocation. We must decompose decisions into subtasks, not dichotomize whole jobs. The subtask allocation matrix details how to match AI and human strengths to subtask challenges. AI excels at managing uncertainty and complexity through pattern detection. Humans are better suited for equivocality, involving negotiation and choosing among options with equal data support. Cultivating hybrid talent models means developing the hybrid scientist. This role combines domain expertise with analytical fluency. General Electric's digital transition exemplifies this by investing in certifying existing engineers and physicists in data analytics. Explainability is the foundation of trust. Without it, workers either ignore AI or suspend their own judgment. An explainable AI dashboard uses features like local explanation interfaces and counterfactual displays to mediate trust and allow human analysts to override models when necessary. Designing for socio-technical integration involves connecting the technical and social systems. Tactics include co-design workshops, job redesign focusing on high judgment work, phased rollouts with learning checkpoints, and leveraging informal leader engagement. Domain-specific algorithmic governance requires a continuous governance pipeline. This includes pre-deployment impact assessments, tiered review boards during active operations, continuous monitoring for model drift, and clear feedback loops for flagging suspect outputs. Pillar 1 is the continuous co-learning flywheel. It's a learning loop, not a steady state. AI generates a recommendation, the human applies judgment, and overrides are captured as training data to improve the AI model. The human's mental model also sharpens through interaction. Pillar 2 focuses on distributed decision authority. In a traditional choke point model, decisions funnel to a manager, losing AI speed. The Centaur network distributes authority, allowing edge workers to act on AI recommendations within defined limits, reflecting real decision-making. Pillar 3 is the stewardship of human intuition. The value of human judgment is constitutive, not residual. 3 principles of stewardship are to preserve domain pathways, treat overrides as data, and recognize intuition as a non-transferable asset trained on years of tacit experience. The Centaur operating system integrates the key components: subtask allocation and explainable AI in the execution interface, socio-technical integration and hybrid talent models in the integration engine, and continuous co-learning, distributed authority, and intuition stewardship, all unified by domain-specific algorithmic governance. Automation alone is not a strategy.